Stasio. Naagaw ni Joe. Look out. Joe Gomez de Leano will lead in. Stasio. Using that brillante screen. Nakawala sa depensa ni Joe. Lays it in. Counted plus the foul. Tres. Short. Ni Lazaro. Pero si Salinel. Siya pa yung nakaputback sa ilalim. Nakuha yung rebound. Bounce pass to Remdes with a beautiful finish. 55-52. Cedillo's bounce pass, telegraphed. Vince Pascual. Gomez de Leano tried to steal the basketball. Stasio, no. To Remdes, yes.
Has been a rough journey for Andre, and he just really wants to be kinder enough towards himself, prioritizing what's ahead, and that is that playing spot para sa Sarangani tenacity. Back to you guys.
But nice to see him back playing basketball here with Sarangani, and nagkaroon siya ng hand injury which forced him to miss 2 months. Oh, bad miss from Lazaro. Nangunguna si Paul Sanga. Libre si Lakap para sa tres. Pasok yan. Brillantes the rebound.
Hindi pa niya hinahanap yung tira na yun, no?
Si John Faa. Not really part of his repertoire so far. For Sarangani, that's been a difference actually. That 3-point shooting. Oh, Cedillo. Okay. Ganda na mga uniform natin sa NCR. CJ Tan sneaks in for the putback. Big pass to CJ Tan. Lakap. Oh, good move. The hesitation and the basket. Isoyo.
Oh, good cut. Brillantes rolling to the basket.
Kanina pa yan. Brillantes. Sanga. May tangan ng bola.
He's gonna take that.
Iniwanan siya. Libreng-libre para sa tres. .14 lead by Sarangani. Eusebio Butis.
Again, you can see Sarangani being more aggressive now and pushing the ball.
CJ Tan all day to shoot. Knocks it down. Lakap thinking about it. Now he drives. Si Brillantes ulit. Wala pang mintis yan.